Hello, this is Matthew Miller from Nokia Expert site with some more video on the Nokia N900. If you can see my background, I like Donkey Kong Jr. Just kind of showing off a background that I found. Now let's do a little run through of the settings. I'll show you those. So here we have the settings on the Nokia N900. And as you can see, there's several of them. I won't run through the details of all of them, just kind of show you a little bit about them. There's themes, date and time, display, text input, profiles, language and region, and notification light in the personalization. If I tap on themes, there you can see there's a couple loaded by default. I haven't really looked around much on the themes. I have to check those out a little bit more. If I tap date and time, I would prefer the 24-hour clock, probably back to my military days, and then update automatically, which is nice to have. It keeps it in sync with the server and the phone service. Our display, there we go. There's your brightness controls, the backlight timeout, lock the screen, touchscreen vibration. I've actually have that turned off because I use the keyboard and I really don't care for the touchscreen to vibrate back all the time on me, which also I understand helps save some battery life. There's the text input, and as you can see there's some keyboard layouts, word completion, insert the space after a word, that kind of thing. Profiles, of course, are profiles you can manage, general and silent. I don't see a way to create any more than just those two. However, those are the only two I personally really need anyway. Language and region, and then notification light. And as you can see, you can manage how the notification light appears. Text message received, email, missed call, IM, or turning the device on. Now we go down to connectivity, and there we have transfer sync, Bluetooth, sharing accounts, internet connections, FM transmitter, microfeeds, on and on and on. And so you can manage all your accounts through here. Say we go to transfer and sync. I actually have to say I haven't done much of this. This is a PC suite, and I don't actually connect via PC suite right now, so I'm not going to use that. Bluetooth, I have to say I haven't done a lot of Bluetooth connections yet, but there we go. I have to check some of those as far as like whether we can use Bluetooth for tethering and things like that. Sharing accounts, if you're FM transmitter, you can manage this in the radio applications or other applications with music themselves. Turn on that FM transmitter, and then you can actually change the frequencies with a scroll list and save to turn it on. Alright, location-based services, whether you want those on or not. GPS, network positioning. View IP and IM accounts, which I talked about in another video. The phone settings, if we tap on here, send your caller ID, no answer in 20 seconds. There we go, call waiting, call forwarding. Forward to, network selections, dual mode, because I have a 3G T-Mobile account, and so on. And then your certificate manager and your PC connectivity manager. Now we go down to general. There's a device lock, TV out, about the product, memory. As you can see, it gives you available memory. I've got 24 gigs available on the N900, and then installable applications. It says 1.7 gigs available. So I guess there's memory set aside for applications on the device itself and not on the memory card. I have to admit I haven't put an external micro SD card in there. I imagine that would show up as well. Screen calibration. Let me just show the TV out real quick. You just select which format you want. About the product, and there's the particular product. So that's all the settings on the Nokia N900.